Hi, I'm going to provide a short demo for the gym management system. Currently, I have a Tomcat server running locally on my machine, so I can point my web browser to localhost at port 8080, and this should take me to the login screen of the system. So I am going to log in using the admin account. This should take me to a page that will look fairly similar to the manager's portal, except for an additional tab here to add specific managers. So as you can see here, I have a manager, a trainer, and also a customer pre-populated. So for this example, I am just going to add in a new trainer and then show the modification, the add qualification, and add work hours along with the search functionality. So I'm going to define a new trainer. Um, and as you can see here, that new trainer is added to the system. So once added, we can do searches. So for example, if I just want to see if there's trainers names who are Bob, those trainers are listed. And then if I reset, it should repopulate the table. Then also I can search who, for example, let's say I want a trainer whose insurance is Java insurance. I can type that in, click search, and only that trainer should remain. So let's say if I want to add a new qualification for this trainer, I can click that trainer, it should become highlighted, and I can click add qualification, and this trainer was the best trainer. So submit that, and now you can see we have two best trainers. So another thing I can do is I can see, well, who are my best trainers? So I can put in that qualification name, hit search, and we see that nothing changes because they both have that qualification. So I'm just going to reset that. And then let's suppose we don't want this trainer anymore. So we can click John, and then we can click delete, and then he's gone from the system. So both the managers and the customers tabs have a similar interface. So for example, if I want to add in another manager, let's add him in. We'll choose our insurance. We'll give them a random email, random phone number, random username, and then we'll add them in. Oh, this is one of the checks for the system where a phone number must be of this format. So looking back, I forgot a digit, so we'll just add that in. And then we'll see that our new manager is added into the system. So once you have managers and trainers defined in the system, you can log in using their username and password. So for example, John Doe username is for a manager, and when we log in, we should see um, we should see the manager tab disappear because that is an admin user level activity. And then we can see that we can modify our trainers, our customers, and our inventory. So um, fairly similar form for the add customer as compared to the add trainer and also add manager. But let's say if I wanted to delete this trainer. So you click delete and okay, he's gone. So one other thing we can do is we can modify the trainer. So for example, let's say this trainer wants a new username. So um, let's just go append a 1 to his username, and click submit. And on success, there should be no errors returned. So, and this looks good. So let's log out quick here, and now let's log in as that trainer. So we change his username, we put in the password, we log in, and we see here that the personal information is populated along with any customers, workout, and exercises. So no customers appear because we deleted the customer in our prior tab. So let's go back and re-add in that customer to see how it gets populated when I log in as a trainer. So I'm going to log in back as our admin user account. I'm going to go to the customers tab, going to add in a customer. Let's just create an arbitrary customer. We'll give him a different insurance this time. So since his insurance is actually not currently in our database. So we'll define a new one and let's put him as active. So we do a create and then we see here all that information is populated. So let's log out as our admin and now let's log back in as our trainer. And here we see now that customer is now listed in the trainers. So